Welcome to Jasmine's cooking show. Today we're gonna make pizza bagels. It's really fun and easy, except you might need your parents' help. It's also like a start for actually cooking in the kitchen. So you are gonna need pizza sauce, and mozzarella cheese. You also need mini pizza bagels. It doesn't have to be pizza bagels, just regular bagels. And you could get these at Target. And so first we're gonna spread the pizza sauce, and you don't want it like that. Like you don't want much on. You want to make sure it spreads around. Very good. And you don't want it dripping over the edges, because then when you bake it, it'll get very messy. And so I'm just gonna finish these up here. And you don't want too little, because then it won't really, the cheese won't stick on. And you want it as close as you can to get to the edges, but you don't want it dripping off. And okay, so I'm almost done. And once we've already spread the tomato sauce, you want to just go around and make sure each one is very good. Like, it's very spread it out, no extras, and you could always take the extras off with your spoon. Okay, step 2. Now we're gonna add the white cheese. Now I'm using mozzarella cheese, but any really white cheese would be good. And so you don't want any clumps. So I'm just gonna kind of mash it. There we go. You're gonna take the shreds of cheese, sprinkle it on. Now you kind of want a certain amount. That's good for, like you don't want too much, or else it'll be super cheesy, unless that's how you like it. And so you don't want too little, because then it's just going to be plain pizza sauce. And I don't know, in my opinion, that's not good. And see, this will make no mess. And for the sauce, I think you could also like use a knife, but it's good to use a spoon for the cheese. And it's fine if it sprinkles off of it. Okay. So now we are gonna cook it for 5 to 4 minutes in the oven, and make sure that your parent, anybody who watches over you, any grown-up with you, will help you make these. Now I'm going to transfer them into a metal cookie sheet or a pizza pan, and you want them to be in an exact row, because the flames on your oven will be on them. Okay, now they're cooking in the oven, and make sure that they're lined up with the flame in the oven. And cook these to 4 to 5 minutes, and we'll be back to check on them. So now they're out of the oven, and they've cooked for 4 to 5 minutes, and they looked perfect. So make sure to transfer them with a parent's help, and an oven mitt, and also a toggle. And so I have a little taste tester with me here today, and me and her are gonna try one. Ready? Mm-hmm. Taste it. Delicious. I'll see you again on Jasmine Chef's Cooking Channel. Bye-bye.